Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and get logged in right there in your Plex app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will start our video for the matter. So for example, you can go ahead, open any browser of your mobile phone and go through the website, or you can simply open your Plex app right there in your mobile phone. Once your Plex app is open, you will be able to see this kind of interface at first over here. For the login purpose, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the sign in option, because sign up is like you creating your account, which you have already done. So go ahead, type in the sign in option. You can choose this. 4 methods are available. Continue with Plex account if you have, that's fine. If you do not, you can go ahead, choose any of the options. For example, if you want to go with the continue with Google, tap on that option and you will choose your email address over here and tap. You can go ahead, allow all the permissions, and you will be able to get logged in. This is the very easy way. Same with the Facebook as well. You will choose your existing Facebook account, tap on at the allow permissions and agree the terms and conditions. You're good to go. Same with the Apple ID as well. So you can do that. If you got any of the options, it's easy to get logged in. You can see it's it's loading, and right over you can see I'm already here in the home page of Plex. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.